Okay, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mr. Forest. Today, for the sake of this video, I will be using my mobile phone to show you how to trade the market successfully without losing any money. So before we get into it, you can see the market goes up, goes down. The market started from here, goes up, goes up, goes up, goes up. Okay, it goes up and it comes down, comes down, comes down, comes down. So you can see, you can see the previous trade goes up, goes down, it goes up, it goes down. Now, if you were to trade this market, I know probably be asking yourself, how are we going to spot this market? How? Okay, look, if you were to enter this market, if I were you, okay, I will go to search for indicator. uh let's use okay, let's search for indicator. Stochastic, stochastic oscillation, this one, stochastic oscillation, click on it. Okay, let's edit it. Yeah, let's make it 25. Let's make this 6. Yeah, 7. You can set your own different way, but this is my strategy, so this is how I set it. Okay, let's change the color and the level. Okay, everything. Okay, you are done. Click on done. Okay, back to the market session. Okay, now you can see, let's start from here. Yeah. Okay, you can see, you can see what happened here. You can see what happened here, which means this stochastic towards down the lowest. The lowest is 20. You can see the lowest here, which is 20, and the highest 20, which means if market fall down below this 20 line, this black line here, you can go for a sell. And if it goes above the 80, you can go for a buy. You can go for a sell. Sorry, you can go for a sell. You can go for a sell from here. If the market, if this line, this blue red line crosses above the 80, get ready to go for a sell. And if it crosses down below the 20, you can see the line here, 20, go for a buy. Go for a buy. But now, how do you go for a buy now? So let's do some analysis. Let me zoom it. Let me zoom it. Let me zoom it. Let me zoom it. Okay. Okay. These two big candle, this red and the green, they have a name. So I'll be dropping a video on candlestick, names of candlestick, because I never really done that, but I will try to drop a video. These two candle we are seeing right here, this two candle is called bullish Heremy. It's called bullish Heremy. And what's a bullish Heremy candle? A bullish Heremy is a candle whereby you see a long downtrend candle, which is this red, followed by a short bullish candle, followed by a short bullish candle. And you can see the wick, the wick down below. You can see the wick. This is a sign of rejection, market reject. Maybe it's about to go up, market reject. But it doesn't always work all the time. This strategy doesn't work all the time. But you can see it here, right here. You can see it right here. So if I were you, okay, if I were you, I see these two candle, and I come down here and I see the line is already touching the 20 already. I can go for a buy. I can go for a buy from here. I can go for a buy from here. I can go for a buy from here. From this third candle, I can go for a buy from here. So I don't know about you, but let me show you some another analysis. Some another analysis. You can see. Okay, let's draw it. Can go from here. Wait. So let's draw the market. So imagine can go from here, from this third candle. You will definitely make money when you enter that market early, very early. So let me put some trend line here. Market breaks out, or maybe if you don't want to go into the market very early like I do, or you can draw your trend. This is higher, the high of the day. Market went down from here, it goes up again, higher, high, higher, higher, high, higher, high, higher, high. So we place our trend lines above these higher highs. And when market breaks above this line, market breaks above, look at this candle, market breaks above. Look at what happened here. Market started to head up after he has touched the after he has touched the 20 level. Look at it, it's going up. Look at it. So when you enter the market from here, let's say we enter the market from here, let me mark it. Let's say we enter the market from here, and we set our stop loss here, and we set our stop loss right here, from here to here. Definitely we want this trade. If we were to take this trade, we want this trade. So that's it. Let me look for another opportunity. Look at what market does. Yeah, it goes up. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. The same thing happened here. The same thing happened here. Oh, you can like ask yourself this question: what about this place? What about here? What about here? Let me explain why. Let me explain why. If it was me, I won't enter a trade here. This is the reason why. Look at, look at. I draw my line. Look at it. I was waiting. I was waiting. I was waiting for the market to break down, to come down below this green line. If market come down below this green line and open a bearish candle, probably I'll enter a sell. But market return, it didn't even touch the green line, it returned. So we won't buy there. So here, yeah, yeah, look at what happened here. Look at what happened here. This is called, these two candles above this green and red is called bearish RMA, not bullish RMA. The first one was bullish, but this is bearish. Bullish RMA is a candle. It indicates that market is about to go up. That means a market is about to go bullish. But these two candle is called bearish, not bullish. Bearish RMA, which means it it means that market is about to go downward. So when these two candle form, if it was me, I'll enter here, right here, right here, right here. And look at what the market does here. The line is above the 80. You can see it's above the 80 and it's crossing, coming down. So we'll take our trade here. Take our trade here. Take our trade here. Let me mark it. Wait, sorry. Okay. Okay. Let me take our trade here. Then we set our stop loss. Our take profit, sorry. We set our take profit here, not our stop loss, our take profit here. So when market hit our target, boom, we close the trade. So imagine we take this trade, we would have won this trade. So that is it for today. Please, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, like and subscribe, because I will be dropping a lot, and I want you to be the first to be notified anytime I drop the video. So subscribe to my channel. So we'll stop here today. Thank